on this Gustlower family coaster named Family Coaster. And here comes the hyper at the same time. Wow, that's fantastic. That is so good. If I'm correct, we're gonna get a hyper coaster again. Yeah, we did. But anyway, this is Family Coaster, and I'm quite excited to tell you. Gustlowers are fun. Oh, this looks... Oh, look at the layout, guys. Wow. Here we go. It's quite fun being in the front because the train in the back pushes so hard. Oh, that's good. Guys, that is really good. That's a nice family coaster. Really like that. Very impressed with the Land of Legends theme park. If